learning or learning management systems, LMS, have gained popularity over the last few years due to their cost, their convenience, and their control. KEC Concepts has the privilege of bringing our comprehensive package to the kitchen exhaust cleaning industry in order to help your company build better technicians through educational content, video and audio presentations, testing, and create lasting, better results. One of the best features of the KEC Concepts LMS is its cost effectiveness for the participant compared to traditional classes. Conferences or seminars require travel, lodging, attendance fees, and that can be very expensive. Cost of training and education is the biggest inhibitor of why many companies do not get involved in programs or offerings. Another advantage to KEC Concepts is the convenience for the student being able to learn anywhere in their own environment. Kitchen exhaust cleaning technicians usually have a pretty tough schedule. They're trying to keep that throughout the week, and being able to learn at home or at work or even on the road is a perfect benefit for your hardworking employees. IBM has found that participants in e-learning learn up to 5 times more than traditional learning. Why? Because the student has full control over their learning and is able to go back over the content again and again until it makes sense to them. A student may be embarrassed to ask a question or have such little knowledge of a subject that they don't even know what to ask. With the KEC Concepts e-learning system, that same student can use the content, the auto narration, and videos to score 100% on the quiz, which they can take as many times as necessary to pass and then move on to the next course.